heading deep into the forest, into the thickest part of the woods. So many interesting animals and birds live among the trees there. Want to go meet them?
Kit, do you hear that? Someone's jumping from branch to branch right above us.
That's right! And look! There are nutshells scattered on the ground over there. Look, Ollie! Reddish and fluffy, holding a nut in its paws.
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a squirrel! So that's who left all these shells.
Look how it's juggling those nuts!
Squirrels hide their food in a tree hollow for winter. They work hard all summer long to do it.
Shh, Kit, do you hear the leaves rustling over there, under the bush?
I hear it. Something snorted and curled up into a little ball.
Let's go closer carefully, so we don't scare it.
Oh, look! Just sharp little spikes sticking out in every direction.
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a hedgehog.
So spiky, and I thought it would be scary.
Ollie, a hedgehog only curls into a ball when it's scared. Otherwise, it's friendly and just looking for buds.
Kit, what's that knocking? Knock, knock, knock!
The sound's coming from up there, from the tree.
Let's go see who's knocking like that.
Look, a little red cap and a long, sharp beak.
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a woodpecker.
What a craftsman! Knocking right on the tree trunk.
That's how a woodpecker gets bugs out from under the bark. And that helps the trees. No wonder they call it the forest doctor.
Squirrel. Hedgehog. Woodpecker.
See you again soon. And where we'll go next time is still a secret.